got a ticky here?
Yeah.
Dump. Fuck. I choked a water. Oh, my water bottle.
Chat, I fucking hate you. It's a 1v1 with snipers.
Oh! Dude, I tried to lick my armpit. The fuck? Leave the frickin'
Goofball on your right. What's he doing? Fucking. I hate this feature.
Parker, one click is enough.
Sorry, I was jacking off. My eyes are vibrating.
Look at General. Oh my god, I need to put sand in my arm, dude. It's so fucking looped up. It won't stay fucking still.
Are you stupid? Why do you put lube on your arm?
Mike.
Well, I can understand why you put it on your hand, but why on your arm?
No, it was on my mic, hon, you
The fuck are
fucking
you gonna do with
idiot.
He has a paraplegic fetish.
Shut.
You live in one of the worst states?
Who the fuck goes to
dumbass.
Chester?
You live in Chester, Virginia. I'm coming for you. Did you even hear what I said? I heard this. Is your
Wait, who has Is she calling me? As am I. I do no drugs and I've never had sex before.
Parker fucked a Dorito?
What did I say? What am I supposed to? Hooray! We're playing CSGO. Hooray! Hooray!
Yo, hey, is this McDonald's?
Who's this horizontal guy? I'm gonna shoot him.
What?
Ben, do you have a plan for the game?
Let's stop calling each other, first of all.
Alright, I'm gonna come up with a plan. Can I phone a friend? I got this, guys. Fuck you. I know you live there.
Cat, stop fucking drinking alcohol.
I'm not drinking. I've not. Shut up.
Are you drunk? Are you drunk?
A bit. But it looks like I dipped my arm in honey.
Uh-oh.
No! What did you freaking do?
Yeah.
Fuck off.
No! This shit sucks. These words are terrible.
I hate that we have the worst humor ever.
Letters.
No, because I'm a genius, bro. I'm
Celebrate!
Not saying the N-word for 1 minute challenge.
Call this.
Stop speaking French, foreigner.
No, bro. Okay, man. Fuck you, then. Dude, what did I do?
I'm kidding. Flip that to make me look like an asshole.
No, ironically, I think I'm having way much of a good I'm having a good time. Dude, what's... Dude, my pie. Banana. Banana. It's pixel pie. Your files are too powerful. I am powerful. I don't have nitro.
I am powerful.
You okay? It's not that funny.
Why are you guys laughing? I just spewed this shit out of my mouth.
It's because you're an idiot.
I am. I'm a bit of a class clown.
You're more than the class.